KTN News.
Well, thank you, Innocent, for that sweet story. Two women who were arrested on Friday last week at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport were early today charged with drug trafficking. The suspects, a Kenyan and a Ugandan, have denied trafficking 1 kilogram of cocaine valued at 14 million shillings. Beg your pardon. The prosecution alleges that the women were planning to ferry the drugs to Antananarivo in Madagascar. Ode Francis reports.
On Friday 26th at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, a 32-year-old woman was arrested for allegedly attempting to transport cocaine to Antananarivo, Madagascar. The suspect was allegedly scheduled to use the Kenya Airways flight number 256 for this illicit purpose. Took precautions to avoid identification by wearing a disguise resembling a hijab. Following scrutiny by undercover agents employing drug detection equipment, 57 packages of cocaine were discovered. Subsequent investigations led to the apprehension of the sender, Harriet Asaba, hailing from Uganda. Harriet was apprehended at a hotel in the Central Business District in Nairobi. She cooperated with detectives, revealing the location of the drugs. A red bag containing 33 pallets of illegal cocaine was discovered. All suspects were arraigned before Justice Njeri Thuku at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport Court. They faced 3 charges related to smuggling and conspiracy involving drugs. The accused persons pleaded not guilty and are scheduled to appear in court on 4th April 2024. Ode Francis, KTN News, Nairobi.
Kericho County Women Rep Beatrice Kemei has taken a significant step towards alleviating food insecurity among low